Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we're in Kingston Maurward Animal Park and Gardens, which is in Dorchester. This is the car park. It's quite a big car park, actually. It's quite a big site, but that's how it looks. So let's take you around and show you. So the car park is right by the entrance. So just when you come in, you get a place to have a picnic, and in the background here there's a cafe, and then just by here is a kids park. There are some runner ducks in this enclosure. There's a bunny rabbit by there. Some ponies down in this field, but they're in the next field down by there. Some more of them running ducks. So as you can see, it's a beautiful place to come, see the animals, walk around the gardens, have a coffee in the cafe, and it's free to get into. Let's take you around and show you some more. Looks like some nice little wood to explore. A little pond this side. Onwards through the forest and see what we find. And then just as you come through these small woods, you're welcomed with this beautiful lake. The only thing to be careful with, especially this time of year, I'm currently in May, is around this lake and on the way down to this lake, there's lots of muddy puddles that you struggle to get past. Normally you can go to this house. It's currently closed for a wedding. It's very pretty. You can still see the gardens. And just through here, sneaky little right, it's like a little pond. So there we go guys, that was Kingston Maurward Animal Park and Gardens in Dorchester. What did you think of that one? Considering it was completely free, unless you want to buy tea and coffee and spend any money in the gift shop obviously. Beautiful gardens, a lovely place to walk around, the lake, a pond. What more could you want? Let me know what you thought down below. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.